Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Young Studio 4D. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in 2021. Ha ha ha! What on my phone right now? This is what I want to show you. Get ready. Okay, great. As you can see, this is amazing phone, a beautiful phone. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. This is my not black phone, amazing phone that I bought, okay, few years ago. You can see I bought this phone in 2018. As you can see here. Wow, I've used this phone many times. Now I want to talk about what into in 2021. Look at more information about this phone. This phone is crazy. It's just amazing. There are 6 GB of RAM inside. Wow, which is crazy. 64 GB in the internal storage. It's wonderful. It's also wireless charging, which is nice. Wow, I like this one. Wow, beautiful. Okay, now let me remove this and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is his box. Wonderful, as you can see. Samsung is here also. Yes, nothing yet. When you turn, you have something like that with a sticker. What can you do? You need just to cut this thing and open this like that. And now you can see your phone is here in front of you. Wow, look at, amazing. This is very beautiful. This is great school. This is great screen. Wow, I like this. Now I can take this one from his box. Thank you. Okay, as you can see, this phone is here, and you can see this. To your believers, look at the camera. Amazing camera. This is Note 8. But why the S Pen disappear? Because of this. Ha! Thank you. Look at that. The head-on still amazing. Still great. Very impressive. Do you believe it? Wow. I like it. Look at under the speaker here, USB-C and port jack available. This is good for me. To explain here for you all. Do you believe this? Look at that. You can see Samsung. Let's turn. You can see Samsung Pro. Samsung is here for you. And it's great. Very great. I installed 192.5 ROM on my phone. Now let's turn on this phone and show you. As you can see, in 2021, this phone still worthy. Worthy is good. It's very good. You can see the power button still nice. Volume up and volume down here. USB button. All of this working very well. Wonderful. Now let me turn on this phone for you all. Look at that. Get ready. Ooh. Do you believe it? Look at that. Ooh. Wonderful. This is Adès Home 1A. Beautiful. Do you believe it? Wow. This is what I'm talking about. It's crazy. This phone is very nice. With this beautiful new home. Let me put my beautiful welcome home lock screen again. beautiful. Have something like that, your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Lock screen again, unlock again, beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, what inside? Look at what inside. What I installed. I installed so many applications, game, big mobile, Call of Duty, new games, new updates. Nice. Also 182.5. Okay, let's see about phone. You can see not 9 because this ROM is based on not 9. This is others wonderful. And the description, the ROM is here. You can download to install on Note 8 S8 and S8 Plus Exynos. Wonderful. 182.5. And when you open, ooh, look at that. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? And wow, it's so great. And it's so beautiful, right? Wow, look at that, bro. Do you believe this? Android 10 is inside. Yes. Look at. It's very nice. Very impressive. This phone still amazing. Wow, do you believe this? Look at that. This is not 8 in 2021, bro. Wow. Wow, look at that. This is the edge screen. Do you believe it? It's also beautiful. What do you think? This phone is now amazing with Android 10. Wow. And I like it. As you can see, bro, my phone is still great in 2020. I like it. I like this. This is amazing. I like more Samsung Note. This phone is amazing, it's impressive, and wow, this is very, very, very nice. I have the S Pen. Look at the new S Pen charger. Wow, this is crazy, it's crazy. I like this. S Pen is one of the best charger on Samsung Note. Wow, I like this. You can do what you want. Now look at the navigation bar. Oh, look at the navigation bar. The new navigation bar is impressive. For example, look at very well. Look at that. You can do something like that. Like that. Look at. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Wow. 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 Do you believe this? This is one of Eden feature I think. Wow. This is very, 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 very nice. It's very impressive, bro. Wow, I like this very, very, very much. Look at again. Ooh, nice, beautiful. Do you believe it? This is the beautiful one you eat. Amazing fun, amazing one you eat. You can see all of this. Edge lighting is enabled, and wow, you can do many things. Now I have amazing keyboard. When I turn, you can see all of this. Wow, it's done. You can do what you want just like that. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is in 2021. This phone is wow, one of the biggest and best phones I've ever seen right now. Wow, this is why I like this. I like this. It's very fast. It's very good. It's optimized. It's working. You can install home. Wow. Now I have something special in front of you. Beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. I also do want to enjoy this video. If you like the video, like, subscribe and share. You can also support our channel. Okay, my link in the description. Do you believe this? Look at that, bro. Wow, it's very nice. It's impressive. Okay, thank you for watching. I saw you for me next video.